Hello, I'm Dennis McKenna with our fourth edition of Inside Albany Med, and I'm so proud today to be joined by a man who has many different names. We have Security Officer Clark, Fred Clark. People call him Clark. I call him Mr. Clark. How are you doing today, sir?
Excellent. How you doing?
It's great. It's great to have you here. Of course,
Thank you.
You and I have known each other for many years, working down in the emergency department.
Yes, sir.
For those who don't know you, tell us a little bit about what your job is here at Albany Med.
My job is for the safety and the security of staff, visitors, patients, and I'm just making sure that everything goes well and helping people out and just, lending a hand whenever we see a need.
Many people have heard me talk about my deep admiration for our security team here at Albany Medical Center, keeping not only our patients safe, our staff safe, our visitors safe. You and I were talking earlier about a situation in the emergency department, and you intervened in that situation by talking to him and actually praying with him.
There was a time that a gentleman wanted to take his life, and it was a very interesting situation because I wasn't sure when I first walked on the scene. I sat down next to him. I knew the guy. I wanted to put my arm around him, say, how's everything going? So I told him, I said, I'll get down on my knees and pray with you. And so he said, get on your knees, and I did. And everyone else, we all been down on our knees, the security, the doctors, the nurses, and we sat and we prayed for him. He was looking for something, he was looking for spiritual help as opposed to just hospital help. And we provided that for him, that safety and that security. And we all just helped him out. And it was something that he needed. We needed to, I needed it too, and it was a blessing.
I'm impressed often with what you can do with your words. Talk about how you de-escalate situations without using any of your physical strength.
Basically, the goal is to redirect, de-escalate, and find ways to intervene and let people know that we're here for their safety and their security. And the goal is to help, because people come to hospitals for help. They come here looking for love and embracement. So the goal is to treat them how we want to be treated. And the goal is to embrace them. And Albany Med Security does that.
One of the things that impresses me about our security professionals at Albany Med is that they work together as a team.
Yes.
You always see them working together as a team. Can you talk a little bit about that and how you develop a team spirit working together?
From Charles Day to Angela Alessi to Steve, they're our leaders. Just from watching how they conduct themselves shows us how to be. They pull out all stops. They'll do whatever they have to do to make sure that our security team is doing what we need to do and putting us in the right direction. They give us all the things that we need, have that unity, that togetherness.
One of the things that makes teams stronger is when people find things that they share in common with each other. Mm-hmm. I did my research. We have a couple things in common you may not know about, is Legos.
Yes, Lego maniac to the heart.
Okay, so tell me about some of the biggest Lego pieces you put together.
Oh man, it's, I don't know, there's so many. I can say this though, is that you haven't worked on Legos until you've stepped on one.
Oh, I've stepped on a bunch of Legos. Do you have a big box of pieces that you dig through?
I have boxes and boxes, yes, and I have boxes that I haven't even put together yet.
You should invite me over. We'll have a Lego making party.
Yeah, it's amazing.
Mr. Clark, if I were to ask you to give me 3 words that you think of when you think about Albany Med, what are those 3 words?
Love, respect, and commitment.
That's fantastic. And when I think about you and I think about the work that our security team does, I think about safety, I think about protection, and I think about the quality of care that we can provide because you give us that environment. So I personally thank you, not only for creating a safe environment when I'm working, but when our entire workforce is there. We appreciate everything you do. Thank you so much.
Thank you.